So I'm going to just speak a little bit about this case, this quadruple murder in Clarendon. So we have 4 people dead, 2 women, 2 men. 2 male, 2 female. In one incident on the same weekend. This arose out of a murder that occurred, was it a week, 2 weeks before? About a week prior. The person involved in that, the shooter in that incident, shot somebody who is related to a person who is influential in the underworld. That person who is influential is incarcerated. From prison, the order comes to reprise that killing, to carry out a reprisal shooting and killing of the person who did the first murder. Our intelligence service, our National Intelligence Bureau, working with divisional intelligence assets, became aware of this. So we carried out operations in Clarendon at the same premises to capture the person who was involved in the first murder. We didn't get him. We were met with some degree of hostility from the family of that perpetrator. We advise them that they are at risk from the information and intelligence that we had gathered, and asked that he turn himself into us so that we could take him into our process to deal with the initial crime. Didn't happen. So 1 week later, the 2 sisters of that individual, the one we are looking for, and 2 other people who were at the house were killed in a quadruple murder. Because the order had gone out and the order was executed. That's what our intelligence is saying. Now we still have work to do. Following on that shooting, we arrested 4 people, I think it was. We have 6 people. We arrested 6 people. I think probably 4 of them remain in custody. Because very swiftly, and this has been a feature in recent times, after these events occur, the police response is very swift. Our intelligence has been supporting us. Our use of technology has been supporting us significantly in getting this done. The problem is that this horrific murder, quadruple murder, has occurred already. It has occurred already. So there is a lesson here as well. No longer can the persons who are harboring gangsters, who are protecting them, do so without putting themselves at great risk. At great risk.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!